Looking for a dessert to serve your friends that's really, really yummy? Well, we got you covered here at the Side Guy Cooks with Key Lime Cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's make the crust. A 6 to 8 inch springform pan is recommended for this recipe. Set the timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes in the oven will set the crust. Time to make the cheesecake filling. Regular lime juice works as well. Let's build the cheesecake. The foil prevents the water from entering the cheesecake. Set the timer for 50 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Allow cheesecake to cool in the oven while the dough is cracked. Key limes are native to Southeast Asia and were later grown in the Florida Keys around 1895. Let's make the whipped topping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a slice on a plate. Wow, the tea biscuit crust is incredible, and of course the key lime flavor in this cheesecake is amazing. Leave a comment and or question below. And of course, the full recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. The key lime cheesecake dessert was the perfect choice. Stay with us, watch another video.